How to clean coin without damaging. Cleaning coins can be a delicate process, as improper cleaning can damage their value and historical significance. Here are some general guidelines on how to clean coins without causing damage. Don't clean valuable coins. If you suspect a coin has value beyond its face value, it's best not to clean it at all. Cleaning can reduce the coin's numismatic value. Identify the coin. Before attempting to clean a coin, identify its composition and age. Different coins may require different cleaning methods. Handle with care. Always handle coins with clean hands or wear gloves to prevent transferring oils and dirt. Hold coins by the edges, not the faces, to avoid scratches. Gentle wiping. For lightly soiled coins, you can try gently wiping them with a soft, lint-free cloth. Use minimal pressure and a straight motion from the center to the edge. Soak in distilled water. For more stubborn dirt, you can soak the coin in distilled water for a short time. Never use tap water, as it can contain chemicals that may harm the coin. Pat the coin dry with a soft cloth afterward. Avoid abrasive materials. Do not use abrasive materials like steel wool, toothbrushes, or harsh chemicals to clean coins, as they can scratch or corrode the surface. Use coin cleaning solutions sparingly. If gentle methods don't work, consider using a specialized coin cleaning solution. Use it sparingly and follow the product's instructions carefully. Always rinse and dry the coin thoroughly after cleaning. Patina preservation. Keep in mind that some collectors prefer coins with natural patina, the surface layer that forms over time. Cleaning can remove this patina and decrease a coin's appeal. Seek professional advice. If you have valuable or antique coins, it's best to consult with a professional numismatist before attempting any cleaning. They can provide expert guidance on preservation. Store properly. After cleaning or handling, store your coins in protective coin holders or capsules to prevent future dirt and damage. Remember that coin cleaning is generally discouraged in the numismatic community because it can often